What's going on YouTube? This your boy DeVintage back at it with another video, man. And today I'm finally back in front of a camera. The last two videos I did was pre-recorded just because work. I had to, you know what I'm saying, give y'all some content, had to show my face. I had to keep grinding for that 20K, man. Even last night I went on live for a little minute just to show my face type thing. I just got off work and I was a little tired and I didn't want to put out no video where my energy wasn't up, you feel me? I didn't want to put out no video and I'm like, what's going on YouTube? You feel me? So I had to, you know what I'm saying, get some rest, come back to y'all with this video today, and it's pretty much going to be like a cop or drop video. You hit it on it or you sit on it, whatever you want to call it, because I woke up this morning, I was about to cop the 6s to do a review for you guys, but my shoe store that I always get my shoes from, Kicks, they didn't get them. I was going to go to museum, that store, see the bag right there. I was going to go to the museum and cop the Yeezys, the Moabs, or I was going to cop the Statics. I didn't know which one I wanted to pick, and I woke up too late. You know, so I had to get my gym in. I had to go play some basketball. 1v1 coming soon with a lot of you trash-ass shoe-tubers, man. 1v1 coming soon. Y'all stay tuned. 2019 might be lit, man. I'm telling y'all boys, it's going to be lit 2019. 1v1 is coming soon on the channel. Y'all be ready, man. But yeah, I was going to cop the Yeezy Statics or the 700 Moabs. Or I was going to cop like a pair of 500s because I want a pair of one of those shoes because I don't have a pair of 500s. I don't have a pair of 700s. I went crazy on the Yeezys last year, copped. I say it's crazy because two years ago, a year ago, you couldn't cop Yeezys for retail. Now I can cop Yeezys for retail. Now I'm like, let me get this Yeezy, let me get this Yeezy. And it's kind of getting to the point where it's like impulse buy. And I feel like the static reflectives is going to be, or the static non-reflectives is going to be impulse buy. But the Moab joints and the 500s, I want a pair of those, man. They got more pairs dropping 2019, but I want the Moabs a different color. It's an off color. Y'all see on my channel, I always wear like some green or some off nude. I don't want to call it nude, but like some off colors, and towards not like a true red or a true blue or true green. It's like some off the wall type color, you feel me? But the Air Jordan 6 LTR, what was the name of those? I'm not sure. Like they kind of look like some denim 6s, but they call Air Jordan 6 Flints. And they kind of look just like the 6s I dropped 2 weeks ago. I seen Ra, he posted a picture and he had like the ones I released last time. They had the ones that I released today. And they kind of look the same. The only thing changed was the Jumpman. One of them was pink or infrared. And one of them was blue, just like the Flints today. And I was like, yeah, they kind of do look very, very similar. But I am going to do the review for y'all. And hey, I took an L. I took an L on a shoe that I didn't even want, which is crazy, man. I was going to do a review for you guys. I'm trying to keep the reviews up. I'm trying to do the early reviews for you guys. I'm trying to do a lot of different things with the channel just so I can stay engaged with my subscribers, man. 20K is the goal. I'm everywhere with this video because I've been gone too long, and I have not said thank you. Thank you, everybody. It's part of the Vintage Gang, Vintage Squad, whatever you want to call it, man. I appreciate y'all for giving me the 15K. Last year, I took a big break, and I kind of had to bounce back from that break that I took and kind of took like an L on the channel because I wasn't posting the videos and my sub count was not growing. My subscribers weren't engaged with me and I wasn't engaged with my subscribers. But we finally hit 15K. 20K is literally right around the corner, man. Like I cannot see myself when I had 0 subs, me getting or being close to 20,000 subscribers is very, very crazy, man. It means a lot. Like I swear it means a lot. Even when I hit 2,000 subscribers, y'all go watch my old videos, I was super excited because I was like, these people really like my personality. They like what I'm doing. They like what I'm talking about. And it's crazy, bro. Like, I was never the popular one in high school because I really didn't fuck with nobody. I still don't really fuck with nobody to this day. But it's just crazy, man. 15,000 subscribers plus. And we about to hit 20K very soon. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. All y'all have to do is keep smashing that thumbs up. Keep sharing the videos. Keep commenting, engaging with me. Keep, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff helps. It helps the channel grow. And hopefully this year, next year, I'm going to be finally going to a sneaker con. Yeah, I can't wait. My first sneaker con. I went to my first sneaker event when I went to Oklahoma, which is in 2016 or 17. 2017, I went to my first sneaker event, and it was very dope. People was coming up to me saying, what's up? What's going on? That's when I went by DeVintage. Don't go by the name no more for a lot of different reasons. And it just meant a lot to me that people actually liked me. Like, it's crazy, bro. Because, like I said, I do not talk to a lot of people. Most of the people I talk to now is shoe-tubers, which is crazy. And yeah, it's like it's crazy. But 20,000 subscribers is right around the corner. I know I'm everywhere with this video. I'm sorry. Another shoe that dropped today was the Pop Punch 4s, the women's sizes. But if you wear like a size 10.5 in men's, you can get that extended sizes for the women's. And that's a shoe that I wasn't, you know what I'm saying, going to go after it because it was like, it's very dope. It wasn't very dope to me. I just feel like they did a lot with the shoe. The color is crazy. The color is vibrant. And that's probably the main reason people want to go cop it. Because the Hot Punch, that shoe was bright as hell. I'll put a picture up right here. The shoe was very, very bright. And that's a shoe, if you walking anywhere, like, it's going to grab some attention. Those shoes is going to grab some attention. And like I said, I want to do a review on that one. But the kicks over here didn't get the 6s or didn't get the 4s. So I'm like, damn. I went up there today. I was about to cop the Mocha 3s, as I've been saying. Like, the Mocha 3 is the shoe I wanted last year. I was like, hey, I'm copping. When I figured out they was releasing like in July or August, I'm copping these smokers, man. I'm copping the Mocha 3s. And I went to the store. I picked them up the day of. I was going to cop them. I was going to do it on feet. And I'm saying, I was going to be like, yeah, I finally got the Mochas. And I looked at them. I was like, I don't really want them. I don't know what changed. I don't know what happened, what was going through my mind. But I was like, I'm going to pass on the Mocha 3s for right now. And it was going for under retail, so it wasn't about the money. It wasn't about me spending $190 whatever plus tax. It was just like, I didn't like them. And I'm trying to refrain from doing those impulse buys like I did maybe 2 years ago, where I was just buying anything. I won't say anything, but I was buying shoes that I didn't need, if that's like the right way to say it in my point of view. I didn't need those shoes. And now I'm kind of regretting it, because I don't wear most of the shoes that I bought maybe 2 years ago. The shoes I wear now are the ones right behind me. The shoes that I don't see, I don't wear. Like, it's crazy. But trying to get better with the impulse buys and stuff like that. But yeah, did you cop the Air Jordan 6 Flints, or did you cop the Air Jordan 4 women's Hot Punches, whatever they call them, or Hot Lava? I think that's what it was. Let me know in the comment section below if you copped either one of the shoes, because I'm very interested in knowing what you guys copped, man. That is it for this video. I just wanted, you know what I'm saying, come to y'all on a release date. I feel like that's where I can engage the most with my subscribers, on the release dates, whether it be Yeezys, Jordans, foam posits, because I know I love foams. I just ain't copped a pair of foams since the Galaxy 2.0s. I haven't copped a pair of foams in a while. But like I said, I engage with my subscribers a lot on release dates and stuff like that, and especially on my reviews. So I appreciate all the love and support, man. I appreciate it. I swear I do. 20K is right around the corner. Y'all already know what to do on every video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you ain't subscribed already. It's a lot of people that watch my videos that are not subscribed. If I could show y'all, I would, but it's kind of like one of my analytics thing, to where you can see where people watch the videos, people that subscribe, not subscribe. And the majority of people that watch my videos, y'all will not believe it, are not subscribed. That is crazy, bro. It's so crazy. Like, just make a YouTube account and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. That's so easy, so simple to do for the however many percent of people that's watching my videos is not subscribed. Subscribe right now. Yeah, more videos coming soon. Me and the wife are gonna do a couple of collab videos as well. And it's gonna be a very dope year, 2019. Going to start, you know what I'm saying, bringing my Canon G7X to the gym when even if I'm working out, if I'm hooping, whatever I'm doing. I'm trying to bring y'all with me a lot more, because like I said, this Canon 80D that I got up here is very dope. I love the quality. I love everything about it. It's just super heavy. And if you hold that thing up all day, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it. You're gonna get that muscle failure. Direct your whiskey. You're gonna get that muscle failure, bro. But yeah, I know I'm rambling. I know I'm talking y'all head off. I know I'm doing this, I'm doing that. But at the end of the day, like I said, I appreciate all the love and support. I appreciate everybody that's subscribed, all the OGs, all the people that's new to the channel that's showing super love. I appreciate it, I really do. And I'm sorry to not say thank you in front of the camera yet for 15,000 subscribers, because this is my first video back from hitting 15K, man. And like I said, 20K is around the corner, man. 20K is around the corner. I cannot wait to see DeVintage World 20K. 20,000 subscribers. That, y'all, I don't think y'all understand. That is a lot of people. Like, for somebody to click subscribe on my channel, to even come and comment, either come drop a like, you know what I'm saying, come in to view it, it's ridiculous. And it means a lot to me. I don't care if I get 100 views on a video. I am going to be excited. I'm going to be very excited, because that means 100 people around the world that I don't even know, but that know me, has watched my video, and they're going to comment, they're going to smash that thumbs up. It's just dope, man. It's just dope. It's just dope. But yeah, I know I'm rambling, so let me keep rambling. Let me keep rambling to y'all. Y'all listen to everything I'm saying. I'm going to try to go live every Friday or Saturday-ish. It's just going to be me. If one of my fellow YouTubers want to jump on, they can jump on, but it's not going to be nothing too crazy towards like something that's heavily promoted. Just like stay tuned, hit the notification bell like I said, because I might go live on every Friday or every Saturday. So like I said, stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. 20K around the corner. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. Let's get to 5,000 followers over there. We're very not close. We almost there. We're gonna get there this year, hopefully. And yeah, with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.